Sweetie!
What? It's Daddy.
Are you there, sweetie?
What?
Playing around with the toilet again?
No, I'm not.
Oh, let's go. It's time for bed.
Daddy, what's that sound?
Who is it at this time of the night? It's a ghost! What's going on? There's...
Go away! They're buffaloes. It's not funny at all.
Sorry, we didn't mean it. We heard a strange sound. It was so scary.